Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this session, we are going to learn about concept of multiple business unit in our sales implementation. The business units primarily serve as a container or a contract that can be used to separate or share setup and reference data. A business unit typically performs one or many business functions and has a specific place in an organization hierarchy. Usually, each business unit has a manager, strategic objectives, and a level of autonomy and responsibility for its profit and loss. Business unit terminology. Master data. Data that's managed globally and is not specific to any BU. Example, account. Customer account cannot be segmented by BU. Users can be associated to BUs through their resource organization membership, but in general are managed globally. Products. While different BUs might sell different products, and definition of a product is global. Reference data. This is the data that's used by transactional objects like leads and opportunities. Reference data can be different across BUs and common across BUs. Reference data is organized into reference data set, also called sets, each with a unique sets. Transactional data. This is the cell user data such as that associated with leads, opportunities, and contract that are created during the typical sales process. Overview of multiple business units in sales. Multiple business units typically are best for companies that are planning to manage multiple brands or franchisee location within Sales Cloud. In the sales application, these business object supports the uses of multiple BUs like contracts, leads, opportunities, resource organizations, and territories. Benefits of using multiple BUs. Access customer data across BUs. Realize a complete single view of your customer and their interaction across all BUs. Improve collaboration. A sales team across BUs can collaborate one deal with the same customer, avoiding conflict for simple product and improving cross sales and upsells opportunities. Reduce integration cost and data duplications. Fewer integration are needed, but sales and ERP system with improved data quality in the sales system. Reduce subscription cost. User supports different BUs don't need to sign on the multiple system that require separate license. This is the multiple BUs use case. In this use case, Vision Enterprises is a global high technology company with two divisions. Vision Corporation focus on the software and Vision Systems selling high-end servers and engineered systems that combine hardware and software in a single frame. Both divisions operate globally across North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. So they create BUs for each. They create multiple BUs for each of these areas. This is all about the multiple BUs. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.